Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So I have come here in front of you with a new topic that is ratio and proportion. So let us know what is ratio and what is proportion, and later on we'll solve the problems. So before that, what is ratio? We'll see the definite definition. Ratio. A ratio is a way to compare two different amounts. So what we see is comparing between different amounts with maybe objects or people or anything will be while sharing also will be comparing. You have got so many chocolates, I have got less chocolate, or otherwise I have got less pencils, you have brought so many pencils. So in this manner the comparing between different amounts, so it tells us how much of one thing we have compared to another. So how much we have compared one thing to the another thing. For example, if we go for a birthday party, let us imagine that say no one is going for the birthday party right now, but let us imagine. So if we go for a birthday party, they are giving us chocolates and cakes. If they serve in our plate with the two chocolates and one piece of cake, it's a comparability. Two chocolates along with one cake. So comparability. 2:1 ratio. That as a 2:1 ratio, where 2 is in a chocolate and 1 is in a cake. So comparability. We are comparing chocolate with the cake. They are serving in all the plates 2:1 ratio method. They are serving the chocolates and cakes. Till now we have seen the ratio, what is ratio, how it is used. So now we'll see the proportion. So what is proportion? A proportion is just a statement that says two ratios are equal. So two ratios should be equal. How? So in general, write it. So the symbol is now equals to. So 2:1. We can write it as 2/1 is equals to 4/2. How? Because if we get cancelled, those are two ones are. So 2/1 is equals to 2/1. Two ratios are equal. Two ratios are equal. If this ratio is increased, automatically this ratio will also be increased. So if we take, if we have told already that two chocolate, one cake. So if we increase it, 4:2, automatically the other side also it gets increased. So 4:2 is equals to 8:4. If we get cancelled, 4/2 is equals to 8/4. 2 twos are 2 ones are. 4 twos are 4 ones are. Equals to 2/2. So two ratios are equal. I hope you understood this topic. Stay here. So now we'll solve the example problems. In this, one ratio is missing. We have to find out it. So how we have to find it? So 1:2 is nothing but 1/2. So we have to first write it in a fraction form. I think that x is equals to 8 into 6 by. I hope you'll be able to understand if I write the next steps. So I have 76 to that side, and I have assumed this question mark as a x. 4 so 4 3 7. 3 1 7, 3 2 7. So 4 x term is 4. So the final answer is 4:6 8:12. So we'll do one trial. If we write what we have told in the proportion, the two ratios will be equal. So we'll check it out. 4 by 6 is equals to 8 by 1. 4 3 is so 4, so 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. So it is proved that. So what the statement said that proportions are equal. So the two ratios should be equal. So the ratios are equal. So we'll solve the another problem. It is in a fraction form. If fraction form also we have to solve as we solved previously. I have told you in the fractions chapter how we have to solve, how we have to divide it. So now we'll apply here. 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by 3 x. So it gets reciprocal. So 1 by 2 into 6 by 1 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by x. It is here nothing, we have to assume that it's 1. 2 ones are 2, 3s are. 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by x. So 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by x. If we reciprocal, the x term should be in a numerator. So when we send this one to here, let's say x is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So x is equals to 1 by 9. Here the question mark value is 1 by 9. So till now we have seen that one ratio is missing, and we have seen the fraction form. Now it is in we have been solving a decimal form, and also two ratios are missing. So let us find it out. So 10 by x is equals to x by 10.4. So when we multiply, x square is equals to 144. X is equals to root. So the x value is 12. So 10 is to 12 is to